So Spurs, you wanna win some games next season? Pass Wembanyama the ball.
Totoo lang. Tama.
Absolutely.
Like
Absolutely.
Kasi
for
alam mo
for
kung
a team
gusto nilang
for a
gawin.
team that preached ball movement for the longest time, y'all ain't doing shit.
Laruin nila
I
si
agree.
Mamo. Mhm.
Like
Bro,
I
it
don't
should be like
know.
it should be Trey Young, Trey Jones and Wemby most of the time. Like I don't know why ball hug. I don't know why Sohan is bringing down the ball. I don't know why
Dude,
Devin Vassell is taking wild shots. I don't.
yo, that's
Iba
Byron's
eh.
favorite player, bro. Devin Vassell.
Kahit pumapasok yung Theo de Basel, naiinis ako eh.
Di ba? And then he's taking wild
Ano lang?
shots. Because he's taking wild shots. That's why.
Pero may ginawa silang tama. They traded Doug McDermott
Finally.
sa right direction.
Bro, that's 3 years of Byron going on and on about but di pa nila tinitrade si McDermott.
Si Doug McDermott lang yung kilala ko na kapag libreng-libre, stationary, hindi pumapasok. Pero pag may gumagalaw, doon pa pumapasok eh.
May kilala akong ganyan. Parang ganyan. Ano, pag
Yes,
libre-libre, nagmimintes. Tapos pag may bantay, hinihintay pa yung mga bantay. Parang si Sevilla. Ganun. Sevilla,
Gago.
ganun eh.
Ano, J.R. Smith? J.R. Smith na J.R. Smith.
Hindi, Sevilla talaga, pre.
Sevilla. That's ano yung isang game na yun, yung ano yung kalaro sila Riley. Lahat ng tira hinintay yung kalaban.
Oo, mintes lahat ng libre.
Joaquin don't shoot open shots Sevilla.
Oo, yan.